Tired of laundry chaos? Discover the Joseph Joseph Tota Trio 90-liter laundry basket designed for ultimate organization. This innovative basket features 3 compartments, making fabric separation effortless. Sort by color, fabric type, or wash cycle with ease. Each of the 3 removable bags comes with sturdy handles for easy transport to your washing machine. A clever helper, handle on the bottom, ensures quick, spill-free emptying. Bags return automatically. In a chic beige, this 90-liter capacity basket fits perfectly in any room. Rated 4.5 stars from 878 reviews, it's a bestseller. Get yours now for just $114.38, down from $149.99. Ready for a tidier home? Click the link in our bio to grab your Joseph Joseph Tota Trio today and transform your laundry routine.